Homeschooling was once a rare educational method. Today it is well known and an accepted way to educate your kids. Most parents thinking of homeschooling have a difficult time deciding whether to do it or not. The following is a list 16 reasons why other parents have chosen to homeschool. 1. Private school is too expensive. 2. Their children have problems learning in school, or have a hard time getting along with other kids. 3. They have special health needs. 4. They are unhappy with the public school curriculum. 5. They want their kids to have a better education. 6. They enjoy homeschooling and being with their children. 7. They don't want their kids to be badly influenced by other kids, and learn bad behaviors. 8. They want their kids to learn the skills they need to succeed in life. 9. They want their kids to receive an education that caters to their interests, ability level, and aspirations. 10. They move around frequently, following the primary working parent's career. 11. Their kids get the individual attention they really need. 12. It gives the kids a chance to become who they really are, by giving them more freedom to express themselves than public schools would allow. 13. They want to see their kids grow and turn into wonderful, capable, loving people. 14. They want a way of life that allows the whole family to be together. 15. They feel they are releasing their kids to strangers to raise them through public schooling, and this is not what they want to do. 16. Their own educational philosophy greatly differs with the public school education. So how do you decide whether to homeschool or not? Well, you're going to need a lot of information. You need to learn about 1. Academic research. 2. Legal homeschool rulings. 3. Homeschooling practicals. 4. Schooling materials. 5. How much it will cost. 6. How to evaluate what you are doing. There are a lot of homeschooling resources available online to help you get the information you need when making the decision to homeschool or not. Local support groups are another great way to get questions answered. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.